Hi guys, Dennis here from Diddy Bob's RC. Hey, I got it up and running. I checked the hydraulic oil, got it filled up, and we'll get a battery in it. I just got that all charged up. We're looking at the LXY. It simulates the Bobcat S450. I went through and put the decals on. They supply them with it, and you have to put them on. Pretty sharp little unit. I have ran it just a little bit. I don't like the way the radio is set up because I want it to be steering on one side and then the bucket and boom on the other. The way they have it set up now, the drive is on the left stick forward and backward, and then steering is on the right. And the boom and bucket are on the VRA and VRB dials. I'm not really happy with that setup. With only 4 mixes available on the FlySky i6S, I'm not sure I'm going to be able to get it the way I want it to do it and have because this has a sound system in it as well, and that is also I'm not sure if it's wide in mixed or if it is either wide in or mixed with the drive and everything. So I'm gonna have to do a little bit more research and get it figured out, but I figured we'd at least give it a shot and see how it works. Alright, now lift the cab up, and that's where we get to put the battery in. And they supplied a little 600 or 800 milliamp 2S LiPo battery with it. Turn this on first, because this does not have any on-off switch. It is when you plug the battery in, it's on. And you gotta make sure these wires are all kind of out of the way when you close the cab, and that's, gosh, to be a little bit tricky. I think there could be a bigger battery put in here. I'm not sure what I could put in it for dimensions and whatnot. I haven't really done a lot of research yet, but I'm going to run it with the battery they've provided. Or maybe I'll get a second battery. I doubt I'm going to use it long enough to really, wear out a battery, loading something, just playing with it. It's just a little guy, but it's actually pretty heavy. And far as size-wise, it looks 14th scale to me. But no matter what you do, if it's loader or traction or whatever, and the sound system automatically turns on. And then it has a reverse beeper. And it's hard for me to control it because I'm used to running one stick. It has a reverse beeper, and I think it's got to be, you got to lightly tap it in reverse and then pull back, and then the beeper works. It's just goofy trying to drive it with 2 sticks. I don't like it, but hopefully I can get it figured out. Otherwise, maybe I'll have to get a different radio or sacrifice one function versus another. I see they have the pump so that it is mixed some way with the SWC, which I think they have that locked in as channel 5. But I haven't done a lot of research what channels or what for everything. Now, to turn the lights on, that's the SWA switch. And then you get the headlights and you get the tail lights on. Like I said, it's the sound system turns on automatically. I gotta do a little bit of I'll have to do a little bit of more research on it, but it's just goofy. I want my bucket functions all on the right stick, and I want my drive on the left stick. I mean, that's how I got most all my stuff set up. But they already have the pump mixed, it looks like. See, I want to push down to make the bucket go down, to make the boom go down, but I can't. I'm just all kind of, and maybe I'd get used to it or whatever, but I want it set up the way I want it set up. So I will probably go back and do some changing. And then you can hit the switch again, and it'll shut the lights off. And so it's a double click to turn the lights on and off. So kind of neat. What I think I'm going to do is I'm going to throw a little bit of rock on here, and I'm going to go grab a little dump truck. And I've got a small little Tonka dump truck that this thing might reach into. We'll see. I'm going to give it a pause here for a second. Well, we'll give this a try, see what happens. Yeah, I want my radio set up the way I want it set up. Yeah, it's all backwards to me. Trying to do this everything with one stick or two sticks. I don't even know if she'll make it up that far. Oh yeah, she'll get up that far. It's just goofy trying to control this thing, because I'm trying to push down on one stick and try and make, because I'm used to the way, kind of the way the real ones drive. Come on. Bear with me, because this is really starting to irritate me. And I don't like to be irritated. Yeah, and to me the controls are all backwards and everything else. Well, we're going to make a mess everywhere. That's okay. We can get it cleaned up. Yeah, the boom doesn't self-level, I'll tell you that. So if you got her filled up, let me see, does it go any higher? Nope, that's as far up as she goes. Yeah, to me the controls are all backwards and not a natural flow for me, but yeah, it's all backwards to me, but anyway, at least it'll, and that's just floor dry. Something I'm just messing with for now, but anyway, And then, yeah, the sound system automatically turns off. So, guys will have to kind of, yeah, you guys will kind of have to let me know what you think. I'll be honest with you. I'm not real happy with as you can see, I'm not real happy with the way the radio controls are set up. I don't know why they don't set it up the right way to begin with. And, you know, ship us stuff that set up the way it should be set up. But I guess that's what makes us the hobbyists we are, and we work to make it right. So, anyway, have to let me know what you think, guys. Overall, I'm happy with it. It's a cool little unit. It's a neat little unit. It is. It's pretty cool. So, I'm pretty happy with it. Other than radio setup, but I'm used to correcting others' mistakes and modding them the way that I like it. So, anyway, catch you guys later.